Lockbox LIMS is fully customizable, from the fields you see on record pages to the layout of the pages themselves. In this video, we will see just how easy it is to configure page layouts to fit your lab's specific needs. From the Samples tab, we are going to choose a sample record, so we can edit the page layout for sample record pages. Configuring a page layout means to change the way the page looks for the user. This can include adding new fields or changing related lists. To configure the page layout, I just select Setup and click Edit Page. This takes me to the Page Layout Editor. Here, I can edit field sections and the fields within them. I can also change related lists, headers, and the different tabs on the page. Let's start by adding a status bar at the top to guide the user through a sample's lifecycle. To do this, I can simply drag and drop the path component into the page layout. This is just an example of how the status bar can be used. In Lockbox, you can customize these pathways to fit any of your lab's processes. Now I want to customize the fields in my field sections. I can move fields, delete fields, and add new fields. It's important to note that even though I'm deleting a field, the data that field held is still stored in the limbs. In other words, I'm not deleting any stored data, I'm just hiding it from the page. If I want to add a new field, I just navigate to the list of fields and find the field I want. And these fields are completely customizable. In Lockbox LIMS, you can create custom fields with text, numbers, formulas, checkboxes, and many other data types. Now, what if I want a brand new field section? Well, I can just add a new field section, give it a name, and start adding fields within it. You may have noticed the orange icons on some fields. These represent visibility filters that have been placed on the field. This means a certain condition must be met for this field to be visible on the record page. We can add visibility filters to fields, field sections, and related lists. For example, I might only want my child record field section to be visible if there's at least one aliquot or one derived sample. So I click Add Filters and set my conditions. Now my field section will only appear on record pages with child records. I can also add and delete related lists. For example, if I want users to be able to add notes to this record page, I will add the notes related list. There are even more customization options within Lockbox, but for now we will click Save and return to our sample record page to see the changes we made. Notice the new status bar at the top, the new field section and fields, and the new related list. In this demo, we explored Lockbox's customization options through editing page layouts, but there are far more ways that you can configure Lockbox LIMS to fit your lab's specific needs.